How do we pronounce verbs which end in ed in the past simple? We pronounce it like t after voiceless sounds. Voiceless sounds are sounds that don't vibrate. They're soft, like p, k, s, f. Jump, jumped. Work, worked. Kiss, kissed. Laugh, laughed. Sh, wash, washed. Ch, watch, watched. And voiceless th, froth, frothed. We pronounce it like a D sound after voiced sounds. They are sounds that vibrate. B, g, v, z, m, n, l, r. Beg, begged. Mime, mimed. Travel, travelled. Arrive, arrived. And voiced the, bathe, bathed. Finally, we pronounce it like an id sound after d and t sounds. Invite, invited. Visit, visited. Decide, decided. Invade, invaded. Now it's your turn. Practice the sounds and then complete the table in Google Classroom.